big breaking updates coming in right now, and we are seeing that there's some kind of a movement at Arvind Kejriwal's residence. And we are knowing, and this is a big breaking update coming in right now. We are coming to know, viewers, a massive deployment, police deployment at Kejriwal's residence. We'll go to in just a moment, viewers, to show you exactly what is happening. But this is a big update coming in right now, viewers. And this, remember, is coming after a big setback had come for Arvind Kejriwal a short while back. Today itself, the court had denied protection from arrest for now. Now, okay, big update coming in. ED, I repeat, ED at Kejriwal's residence. That's what we're learning of right now. Big update coming in. ED has reached Kejriwal's residence. Huge police deployment at Kejriwal's residence. And we'll show you those visuals coming in right now, viewers. And remember, this coming in after Delhi High Court had refused to grant any interim protection from coercive action to Delhi CM Arvind Kejriwal in connection to the ED summons issued to him in the Delhi Excise policy case. And now, what we can tell you, viewers, ED has reached Kejriwal's residence and they are right outside his door. I repeat, ED is right outside Arvind Kejriwal's door, viewers. We'll go to those updates right now. We'll show you all the visuals coming in. We'll go to our editors as well, who will tell us exactly what is happening. But this is a very big development coming in, viewers. Remember that today itself, Arvind Kejriwal had filed a fresh plea demanding assurance from the ED that no arrest would be made if he complied with the multiple summons. But what we saw later on was that Delhi High Court had refused the interim protection to Arvind Kejriwal. And this case, by the way, pertains to ED summons issued to him in the Delhi Excise policy case. The court had listed the matter for further consideration on April 22nd. But what we see right now are very big, fast-paced developments, movements coming outside from Kejriwal's residence, where the ED has just reached a short while back. Now remember that this is coming in, like we told you, where the High Court had refused to pass orders granting interim protection from coercive action at this stage to CM Arvind Kejriwal in the money laundering case related to the alleged liquor policy case. And we saw that after this, we're seeing back-to-back updates coming in, where ED has reached Kejriwal's residence. So at this point of time, viewers, we have to wait and watch what exactly is happening in terms of the next step in the story. We'll be soon joined by our colleagues who will help us understand what really is happening. But this is a very big update coming in as we keep getting our updates. And we can also tell you, viewers, that time and again, Arvind Kejriwal has said that ED's actions are politically motivated. This is Arvind Kejriwal had always maintained this kind of stance. But right now, as we have told you already, the Delhi High Court has refused to grant interim protection from ED arrest to CM Arvind Kejriwal in the liquor policy case. We have to really wait and watch what exactly is happening at Kejriwal's doorsteps in Delhi and what action ED would be taking at Kejriwal's residence. So this is a very big update coming in on Republic TV, where we can tell you that Arvind Kejriwal's residence right now, there's a lot of police deployment outside, a lot of movement and a lot of activity happening. Let's go straight across to the visuals coming in. Okay, those are the visuals coming in right now, viewers, of what really is happening outside Arvind Kejriwal's residence. Now, you can clearly see that it looks like some authorities have reached. There's some conversation happening and there's a lot of movement there in front of Arvind Kejriwal's residence. This is a very, very big update coming in right now. Remember that the ED has sent so many summons to Arvind Kejriwal for the past few months now, and every time Arvind Kejriwal has refused to attend any of those summons. He has made one excuse after the other. And right now, he even went to Delhi High Court asking for protection, which he has not got. So this is going to be a very, very big development in terms of what we can do next, what can really happen next. Now, remember that Arvind Kejriwal has been asked to appear before the agency on March 21st. In the recent summons. So March 21st was the last date where he was asked to appear before the ED. So today is March 21st. In the recent summons, today was the day, March 21st, where Arvind Kejriwal was asked to appear before the agency. And right now, as we told you, Delhi High Court has said no protection from arrest for now. Today itself, that is the day of the last summon, ED itself has landed up, viewers, at Arvind Kejriwal's residence, and those visuals coming in on your screen, these visuals are first and exclusive only on Republic TV. So top update coming on Republic TV, viewers. And as we keep getting you more updates, let's tell you that all these cases, all these summons are pertaining to the alleged corruption in formulating and executing Delhi's excise policy for 2021-2022, which was later scrapped. And right now, we have seen that a couple of Arvind Kejriwal's ministers are in judicial custody already in this case. Aam Aadmi Party leader Manish Sisodia, Sanjay Singh already in judicial custody in this case. And we are seeing that the central agencies have time and again said that there were many irregularities were made while the modification of the Delhi excise policy was underway. They have also claimed, these agencies, ED has claimed that undue favors were extended to the license holders. So many allegations here, and they had called Arvind Kejriwal time and again, summoned him, but he has not appeared for any of the summons. Today was the deadline for the latest summon, that is March 21st, and now ED has ended up at Kejriwal's residence. So this is a very big story coming in, and let's not forget Arvind Kejriwal's name has been mentioned multiple times in the charge sheets filed by ED in the excise policy case. We see the ED has alleged that the accused were in touch with Kejriwal for formulating the excise policy. Let's go to Madhurima. Madhurima is there. Madhurima, I'm coming across to you. What is happening outside Arvind Kejriwal's residence? I'll go to Madhurima in just a moment. Try to connect Madhurima. Madhurima is going to take us through all the details coming in because we need to really understand what is happening there. We can see huge police presence right outside Arvind Kejriwal's residence. These are first and exclusive visuals only on Republic TV. You can see that these are the visuals coming in. Huge police deployment happening. I just want to go across to Madhurima in just a moment. We're trying to get her back with us. But like we just told you, that Arvind Kejriwal's name has been mentioned multiple times in the charge sheets filed by the ED in the excise policy case. The agency has alleged that the accused were in touch with Kejriwal for formulating the excise policy. He has been summoned multiple times. He has always said that there was something or the other that he was busy with. Let's go to Madhurima. Madhurima, I'm coming across to you right now. If you can hear me, take us through what is happening. Many ED officers have reached Arvind Kejriwal's residence. What are they doing there? Madhurima.
Well, Shivangi, it is just a couple of hours after that verdict came from the High Court. We'll take you directly to the visuals over here at the residence of Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal, and we see a massive deployment of the Delhi police over here, where we see that multiple cars of the Enforcement Directorate have also arrived here at the residence of the Chief Minister of the National Capital, Mr. Arvind Kejriwal, and you can see that the heavy deployment of the Delhi police officials has also been done over here at the residence. You can see that the entire area has been cordoned off and the media has been shifted to one side, and the ED officials, Shivangi, the ED officials have entered inside. We saw the logo of the Enforcement Directorate in one of the files that was being carried by one of the officers. So this is in regard to the Liqourgate, and today the High Court in a judgment had refused the plea that was put in by Mr. Arvind Kejriwal, asking that he should get relief from any coercive action or arrest, and after that plea was denied, we see Enforcement Directorate coming here. We know that Mr. Kejriwal has been skipping multiple summons by the Enforcement Directorate. There was a heated, argument today in front of the court where Mr. Kejriwal's counsel Abhishek Manu Singhi went on and asked that in what capacity is Mr. Kejriwal being summoned as the national convener of the Aam Aadmi Party, as the Chief Minister of Arvind Kejriwal, to which the additional Solicitor General said that he is being called as the person, Mr. Mr. Arvind Kejriwal, and nobody is above the law, even if he's the chief minister of the national capital. And which is why the Delhi court, after a detailed hearing, rejected the plea of Mr. Arvind Kejriwal, the chief minister of the national capital. And just a couple of hours after that, after the plea was rejected, we see that a massive team of the Enforcement Directorate has reached the residence of Mr. Arvind Kejriwal here in the civil lines area of the national capital. We see that the Enforcement Directorate officials have gone inside. Republic TV is the only channel to be present on ground and getting these exclusive visuals from the residence of Mr. Arvind Kejriwal. We are the only channel over here on the ground bringing you the latest update for our viewers and these exclusive visuals of Enforcement Directorate coming at the residence of Mr. Arvind Kejriwal. You can see that a massive deployment of the Delhi police officials has been put over here. The barricading has been done. The media has been shifted at one side, and the Enforcement Directorate, the officials of the Enforcement Directorate have entered the residence of the Chief Minister of the national capital, Mr. Arvind Kejriwal. This is after multiple summons have been sent time and again for the past couple of months to Mr. Kejriwal to appear in front of the Enforcement Directorate and cooperate with the interrogation and investigation in the Liqourgate case. But we have seen that Mr. Arvind Kejriwal has been dubbing the entire investigation in the Liqourgate as vendetta and has been skipping the summons. We'll take you back to the visuals over here. Remember, Republic TV is the only channel that is present on the ground bringing these exclusive visuals for viewers. Where the Enforcement Directorate, after the Delhi High Court snubbed the plea that was moved by Mr. Arvind Kejriwal seeking protection from any coercive action, specifically arrest. We have the team of the Enforcement Directorate here at the residence of Mr. Arvind Kejriwal. What's going to happen? We'll be bringing that for our viewers as well. But yes, this is the latest development, the breaking at the moment that Enforcement Directorate, a huge team of Enforcement Directorate has reached the residence of Delhi Chief Minister, Mr. Arvind Kejriwal, and you can see that how the entire area has been cordoned off. There's nobody seen on the road over here at Civil Lines where his residence is, and massive deployment of the Delhi police over here in front of the residence. What's going to happen next is yet to be seen. But yes, today there was an important hearing where Mr. Kejriwal put in a bid to put in on the bid, and now you can see that there's a heavy deployment of the police officials over here. Heavy deployment of the police officials over here. The Enforcement Directorate team has reached and they are inside. We are bringing you these visuals from outside the residence of the Chief Minister. These are the exclusive visuals that only Republic TV being on the ground in front of the residence of Mr. Arvind Kejriwal, where the Enforcement Directorate has arrived. We are showing you a 360-degree view of how the entire area is being secured by the Delhi police officials. You can see that there's the convoy of the Delhi police officials and we see that how the police has cordoned off the entire area. Now we are being joined by a senior editor, Shravan Sen. Shravan, the Enforcement Directorate team has reached here at the residence of Mr. Arvind Kejriwal, and this is happening just a couple of hours after the High Court rejected his plea that sought